Hello and welcome. In today's video, we are going to consider this question, and it says that we should simplify 3 plus square root of 5 all over square root of 5 minus 2 minus square root of 5 minus 2 3 plus root 5. Now, to solve a question like this, it's better to solve each part before you subtract. So it's better we solve or we rationalize this part, and then after you have the answer, we just come and then subtract this side also. So first of all, we are going to rationalize this side. Now when you are done, we go and rationalize this side. So over here we have 3 plus root 5 all over square root of 5 minus 2. Now, to rationalize this, we need to multiply the numerator and the denominator by the conjugate set of the denominator, which is square root of 5 minus 2. And the conjugate set of square root of 5 minus 2 is square root of 5 plus 2. So we need to multiply square root of 5 plus 2 by the numerator and also the denominator. So when you multiply, you're going to have square root of 5 plus 2, and then here all over square root of 5 plus 2. So here we are multiplying 3 plus root 5 by the conjugate set. So first of all, let's multiply this 3 by the conjugate set. When you are done, you also multiply root 5. Now here it's gonna be 3 times square root of 5 plus 2, and then this square root of 5 multiplied by square root of 5 plus 2 all over here to the same thing. But here, if you observe it, you may see that here is difference of two squares. So we can just express this one in the form of difference of two square as square root of 5 all squared minus 2 squared. Now, so here you're gonna have 3 root 5. 3 times 2 is gonna give us 6. And here square root of 5 times square root of 5 will give us 5 plus 2 root 5 all over here. This 2 is going to cancel this 5, and then you're going to have 5 minus, and 2 squared is 4, 3 root 5 and then 2 root 5 are like said, so let's group them together. 3 root 5 plus 2 root 5 plus 6 plus 5 is 11 all over 1. So now when we rationalize this one, we got 3 root 5 plus 2 root 5 plus 11. Now we are going to put this one in there, and then also go ahead and then rationalize this one. After that, we subtract this side from here. So 3 root 5 plus 2 root 5 are like said, so we are going to add this one. 3 plus 2 will give us 5. So here 5 root 5 plus 11, and any number over 1 is the same number. So here this side, when you rationalize this, you're going to get 11 plus 5 root 5. So now let's put this one here, and then also go ahead and rationalize this one. Now here we have square root of 5 minus 2 all over 3 plus root 5. Now let's multiply both sides by the conjugate set, and the conjugate set is going to be 3 minus root 5 all over 3 minus root 5. Now here root 5 is going to multiply, so it's going to be square root of 5 all multiplied by 3 minus root 5, and then here minus 2 all multiplied by 3 minus root 5. But here is going to be difference of 2 squared, so we are going to have 3 squared minus square root of 5 all squared. Now here 3 times root 5 is going to be 3 root 5, and then 5 times square root of 5 times square root of 5 is going to be 5, and here we are going to have minus 6, and then here minus 2 times square root of 5 is gonna be positive 2 root 5, and here you're gonna have 3 squared is 9 minus, here this 2 is going to cancel this one, and then 5. So finally here we're going to have 3 root 5 plus 2 is going to be 5 root 5 minus 11, and 9 minus 5 is 4. So over here too, when we rationalize, we got 5 root 5 minus 11 all over 4. So we are going ahead and then subtract this side from here. So when we rationalize the first part, we got 11 plus 5 root 5 all over 1, and then also here we got 5 root 5 root 5 minus 11 all over 4, and then don't forget to bring the subtraction sign. So we have been able to remove the square root sign from the denominators. Now here we have 1 here and then 4 here, so we have to find the LCM of these two, and then the LCM is 4. You can just say that the LCM is 4. So 1 goes into 4 times. So 4 is going to multiply this one, and then we're going to have 4 multiplied by 11 plus 5 root 5. And then here 4 goes into 4 1. Here we are going to have 1 multiplied by 5 root 5 minus 11. So let's go ahead and simplify. Now 4 times 11 is 44, and then here 4 times 5 is gonna be 20 root 5, and then here you're going to have 5 root 5, and then here negative 1 times is gonna be positive 11 all over 4. So here let's group the 44 and 11 at one part. So here you're gonna have 44 plus 11, and that one will be 55, and here 20 root 5 minus 5 root 5. Now because they are like said, you're gonna subtract the 5 from the 20, and then it will be 20 minus 5 will be 15 root 5 all divided by 4. So basically here is the answer. Now to do this one, you have to rationalize the first part, and then so when you rationalize the first part, we got 11 plus 5 root 5, and then also we rationalize the second part, and then we got 5 root 5 minus 11 over 4.